This healthy, satisfying, oven-baked potato frittata is loaded with onions, tomatoes, bell peppers, chicken, and some cheese. It's flavorful, easy to make, and perfect for any meal. Now, this Italian potato frittata is one of the easiest traditional Italian recipes you can recreate. That being said, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, a warm welcome to you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button down there and turn on your notification bells so you don't miss any of my videos. And also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up before you leave. Now, to make this recipe, I'll be using 2 nicely diced medium-sized potatoes, 5 eggs, some chopped tomatoes, red and green bell peppers, some sliced onions, some shredded chicken, some cheese, some olive oil, and I'll be seasoning with some onion powder, some chili powder, cayenne pepper, paprika powder, garlic salt, black pepper, parsley flakes, and some seasoning cubes. Now that we've gone through the ingredients we'll be using to make this recipe, let's make our potato frittata. Now don't forget that you'll find a list of all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe in the description box down below. In here I have half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and half a teaspoon of garlic salt. Now using a spoon, I'll combine everything and I'll pour this over my potatoes. Next, I'll toss my potatoes until everything is perfectly coated with the spices I've just added. I'll also be adding about a tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm also going to mix and make sure that all the potatoes are nicely coated. Now if you're enjoying what you're watching, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down there. I would really appreciate it. Now once it's nicely combined, I'll pour them into my air fryer basket, and I'm going to air fry them at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes until they are nice and tender. And don't forget to toss them halfway through the cooking. Now after about 20 minutes, this is how they look. They are very soft and tender, and this is exactly how I want them. I'm going to crack open my eggs, and for this recipe I'm using 5 eggs. Then I'll whisk using a fork. I'll be seasoning with some black peppers, some parsley flakes, 1 seasoning cube, and a pinch of salt. Then I'm just going to whisk to combine. Now into my eggs, I'm going to be adding some green bell peppers, some red bell peppers, some tomatoes, some shredded chicken, and some sliced onions. Then I'll gently combine everything. So for this recipe, you can customize it to your taste by adding any veggie of your choice. You can also use some bacon instead of the chicken, and also add some sweet corn if you like. Next, I'll be adding my air fried potatoes, which I've already cooled down, and then I'll gently mix everything to combine and then set it aside. Now I'm going to be greasing my dish with some oil. You can also grease it with some butter, and this is just to prevent it from sticking after baking. Next, I'll gently pour the mixture into my dish. Make sure to use an oven-safe dish. Then using my spatula, I'll gently level it down. Then I'll be topping it with just a little pepper cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you have, and you can definitely add more or less if you prefer. Then I'll place my dish into my oven and I'll bake at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 20 minutes, this is what we have. Now, this baked potato frittata is very high in protein and always makes the perfect nutritious meal that you can enjoy any time of the day. I put together this recipe for my family and they all enjoyed it. It's simple, comforting, and it's guaranteed to please everyone. Now, if you're hosting a breakfast or brunch party and you're looking for something unique to serve, you can try making this potato frittata. You can serve this with some light side dish like some salad or some vegetables. I served mine with some steamed vegetables and a tall glass of orange juice. Thanks so much for watching. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done that. You can also check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.